Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a white tee.
Are you ready to get frozen? Hey everybody, thank you for watching this video. I will be using the Wet palette from Colourpop Cosmetics. I just want to say that I love everything about this Ratchet palette that Bretmanrock created. You go, sis. Also wanted to show y'all these poppin' makeup brushes I got from the crayon case. They cute, right? Yes, they look like little pencils and I can't wait to draw on my eyes. So to start this look, I will be using a crease brush and I will be packing on the first blue. Just to let you know, I'm using a blue from a different palette as a transition color before I just use the rest of the colors from the Wet palette. So I think I need a bigger brush because I'm not really feeling this one. So the first color I'm using out this palette is the color I'm Chillin'. I'm going to be packing that onto my outside corners and into my crease and just blending it into the outer parts of my eye. I'm using a patting motion and I'm really feeling this blue. Because I'm using multiple colors, I will be blending in each color as you see here. This is very important when using eyeshadow. This gives it a faded effect. So what I'm doing is packing more of the color I'm Chillin' on my eye because I wanted it to be just a bit darker. I'm continuing to just pat the color on and not drag it across my eye. You want everything to be applied neatly. And yes, I'm blending again because you want to keep that faded effect. So next, I'm gonna go in with the color Thickums. Yo, these color names are hilarious. So I'm loving how strong the pigment is on this color. I just thought it would glide on a bit more easier, but I'm gonna make it work. So what you see me doing here is just packing on the color onto the inner corners of each eye, and I'm leaving just a tad bit space to blend it in with one more shimmer color. Since I'm at it, I'm just gonna add it to my tear ducts on each eye too. The next color is LOL, I'm crying. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my finger to apply LOL, I'm crying. I just think that using your finger for shimmers just work a little bit better, and I should have did this with the first color too. Sidebar, when you're texting someone, have you ever wrote LOL, I'm crying, but you're not crying, but it is funny? Anyway, I'm blending the edges of all three colors just to blend it out a little bit better so it doesn't look as sloppy as it was looking. So I cannot emphasize this enough, but with eyeshadow, you want to make sure everything comes together instead of looking like it was slapped on your face. So I'm satisfied with the eye colors for now, so I am going in with a liquid eyeliner and I'm just applying it to both eyes. I want it to be very long. If you are using this video to try this look, you don't have to be as extra as me, but I am extra. As always, you can find all the products I used in this video down below in the video description. Next, I'm gonna go in with some mascara before I put my eyelashes on. the new Ardell Faux Mink Demi Wispy lashes, and I'm gonna be applying both to my eyes. They cost like $10 for 2 in a pack. Y'all, I am not an expert at applying lashes, so I can't even act like I'm teaching y'all how to do this. You're probably not even gonna see the whole process or me do the other eye. Sometimes I could get the lashes to act right, and sometimes they get on my nerve. Look, you wanna fight? So I applied the other eyelash off camera because we ended up getting into a fight. But as you see here, I'm starting to apply my foundation. I already applied moisturizer and primer, and then I'm just gonna go in and blend it all over my face. When doing this, I always use a damp beauty blender, not a dry one. I'm trying to get in every nook and cranny in my face to make sure that everything is the same color. Oh, and I used NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. So after I'm done blending my face, I take my concealer and use it to highlight different parts of my face, most importantly under my eyes because I do have dark circles. Doing this always adds dimension to your face, and it's so funny because I didn't even do this before last year. Would you judge me if I went outside like this? So here I'm just setting everywhere with loose powder, wherever I put concealer at, just so it can stay in place and not move. Then after I let it sit, I just brush it away and begin to do my contour process. I'm trying to look snatched out here, so pardon me for being extra as always. So I'm applying this liquid blue matte that I found in my house. I never used it before today, so I'm just trying it out. But I'm also thinking that maybe I want to do a ombre lip color, so I'm probably going to pack on another lip on top of it. I just want to let y'all know in this video that I was winging it and this was not planned. So I'm gonna go in with a few highlights. The first one is this one. A little more won't hurt. Next, I'm using some blush for my cheeks just to add some color to my face. So, can y'all tell that I'm getting hype right now that the look is coming together? Yes, I do my little dance solos. I added some gold highlight to my nose and some to my cheek, and I'm gonna use this liquid glitter and apply it to both sides of my face where I applied the other highlight. I love me some glitter, and this is just giving me winter wonderland. A few finishing touches and I'm done. If you like this video, and me of course, do your girl a favor and leave a like and comment down below with your thoughts, and also subscribe to my channel while you're at it. Victory dance! Thank you for visiting my channel, and stay tuned for my future uploads. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy holidays, everybody!